Hi guys. So I just want to show you how my automated invoice dashboard template works. So it begins with this invoice tab where you include all of the data that you need to complete the transaction. So let's say that a person orders a 6cm mug. So all you have to do is click on the create invoice button, and automatically we will see on the print tab that it will create a record of this activity where you can print and give out to the customer. And at the same time, this transaction is also recorded on the order log tab. Now, this order log tab will then be computed on the inventory tab where you can see all of the data, for example, your total stock, your total sold, and all the available stocks on your inventory. Now, using this data, you can come up with a dashboard for your system, for your orders. So this dashboard can see your orders on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. And this data can be further filtered. Let's say you want to see only the current month, you want to see the last 3 months, or maybe the last 6, or the last 12 months. Now, as an additional feature, you can also see that you can program the list of all the items that you will use for your products, as well as predefined customers that is usually ordering from you. So you don't need to include them every time that you are going to create a transaction. But at the same time, if you're dealing with a new customer, all you have to do is use the override cells, and it will make the override for you. And when you're done with the transaction and you want to create a new one, all you have to do is click on the all clear button. Thank you.